This video is part 5 of a 5-part series. Make sure to watch all of the videos in the series in the order shown. Wear proper personal protective equipment when cleaning in this area. Waste liquid from this product is classified as industrial waste. Process it in accordance with your local laws and regulations regarding disposal of industrial waste. Be sure to give any waste disposal contractors the safety data sheet. Open these covers. Remove the maintenance tank. Then attach the inside plug and screw on the lid. Take the maintenance tank to a separate area, then drain the waste liquid into a container. Remove the lid and inside plug, then return the tank to its original position. When you're done, select Waste Liquid Processing. Remove this lid, then add more washing liquid until it reaches the top of this tube. When you're done, replace the lid. Close the covers. Then select Supply Washing Liquid. Using a dry polyester or nylon cloth, slowly open one drain cock. Wipe away any water or oil that comes out, then close the drain cock. Repeat this process for the other drain cock. When you're done, select Regulator Filters. Make sure all covers on the product are closed, then select Finished. Make sure to watch the other videos in the series.